So many people in the world suffer from overweight and try to release it by avoiding sweet foods. But there are the certain fruits that can speed up your fat loss. You've been told to avoid sugary foods, but what if some specific fruits are the secret weapon for shedding those extra pounds? Today, we're revealing 6 incredible fruits that not only satisfy your cravings, but also help your body burn fat faster. Welcome to Levitas. Before we dive into these fat-burning fruits, let's quickly talk about fructose, the natural sugar found in fruits. While fructose isn't harmful when consumed in small amounts, it's still a sugar that your liver has to process. Excessive amounts are stored as fat, especially around the belly area. That's why it's essential to focus on whole fruits, not fruit juices, and to enjoy them in reasonable portions. In this case, the key is moderation, not elimination. When you eat the right fruits with balanced amounts of fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats, you can actually promote fat loss rather than fat gain. Fruit number 1. First on our list is a fruit that might surprise you: avocados. Yes, they're technically a fruit. Avocados are a powerhouse for fat loss because they are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, which help reduce inflammation and support metabolic health. These fats help you feel full for longer, preventing snacking. Avocados are also rich in fiber, which aids digestion and keeps blood sugar levels steady, avoiding insulin spikes that can lead to fat storage. Additionally, they contain vitamins like B6, which plays a role in reducing cortisol levels, a hormone linked to belly fat storage. They are also very rich in potassium, an essential electrolyte for hydration. Plus, magnesium, a mineral that is involved in over 500 biochemical processes in the body. How much should you eat? You don't need to go overboard. Half to 1 avocado a day is enough to reap its fat loss benefits. You can add it to your salads, turn it into a healthy guacamole, or blend it into a smoothie. Just remember, while avocados are full of healthy fats, they're still calorie-dense, so moderation is key. Fruit. Number 2. Next up are blueberries, tiny but mighty in the fight against fat. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue color and are linked to improved fat metabolism. Studies have shown that consuming blueberries can reduce belly fat, improve insulin sensitivity, and lower bad cholesterol levels. They're also low in calories and high in fiber, making them the perfect fruit to help control hunger and manage weight. How much to eat? A half cup to 1 cup of blueberries a day is a great portion. You can enjoy them as a dessert, toss them into your morning kefir, or eat them with your salads. Just make sure to eat the whole fruit instead of relying on sugary blueberry-flavored products or juices. Fruit. Number 3. Pomegranates are another fantastic fruit for fat loss. These ruby red gems are loaded with antioxidants called polyphenols, which have been shown to boost metabolism and enhance fat burning. They also contain punicic acid, which can help prevent fat from accumulating in the body, particularly in the abdomen. Additionally, the fiber in pomegranates helps keep you full and supports gut health, a crucial factor in long-term weight management. How much to eat? Half cup to 1 cup of pomegranate arils or seeds per day is enough to provide the benefits without overdoing the sugar. You can sprinkle them over a salad, mix them into your kefir, or simply eat them by the handful. Fresh pomegranate is a great option into your food plan, but it still has fructose, which can turn into a heavy burden for your life. Fruit number 4. Raspberries are another berry with remarkable fat loss potential. They're rich in fiber, containing around 8 grams per cup, which is one of the highest fiber counts among fruits. This high fiber content helps regulate digestion and reduces hunger, making it easier to maintain a calorie deficit for fat loss. Raspberries also contain ketones, natural compounds that are thought to help burn fat more effectively by increasing the body's fat metabolism. How much can you eat? A good portion size is about a cup of raspberries a day. You can add them to your breakfast, toss them in salads or yogurt, or simply enjoy them as a low-calorie dessert. Their sweet tart flavor makes them a versatile fruit that can be used in both sweet and savory dishes. Fruit number 5. Lemons might not be the first fruit you think of for fat loss, but they are incredibly effective. Lemons are high in vitamin C, which is crucial for the body's fat-burning process, particularly during exercise. Additionally, lemon juice can aid in digestion and act as a natural detoxifier, helping the liver function more efficiently in metabolizing fats. Lemons also have diuretic properties, helping reduce water retention and bloating, which can make you feel slimmer. How much to eat? While you wouldn't typically eat lemons whole, you can incorporate them into your daily diet by squeezing fresh lemon juice into water or over your meals. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water to kickstart your metabolism. Using the zest in cooking also adds a flavorful, fat-burning punch to your dishes. Aim to consume 2 to 3 lemons every day. Fruit number 6. Finally, let's talk about dark berries like blackberries and black currants. These berries are not only delicious but are also potent fat fighters. They are packed with fiber and antioxidants, especially anthocyanins and resveratrol, which have been linked to reduced fat accumulation and improved insulin sensitivity. Blackberries and black currants also have a lower glycemic index than many other fruits, meaning they have a smaller impact on your blood sugar, making them an excellent choice for fat loss. How much to eat? Aim for around a half cup to a full cup of dark berries a day. Enjoy them fresh or frozen, mixed into yogurt or kefir, or sprinkled over your delicious salads. Their deep, rich flavor pairs well with a variety of foods, making it easy to incorporate them into your meals without adding unnecessary sugar. In conclusion, fructose, the natural sugar in fruits, plays a significant role in fat accumulation. When consumed in moderation, these fruits can support weight loss due to their rich fiber content, antioxidants, and natural compounds. However, it's crucial to balance fruit intake, as excessive fructose can lead to fat storage, particularly around the belly. The key is moderation and focusing on whole fruits rather than juices. Avocados, for instance, are loaded with healthy fats that reduce inflammation and help you stay full longer, preventing overeating. With their fiber and nutrients like potassium and B6, avocados are a great addition to any fat loss plan, but it's important to consume them in moderation due to their calorie density. Blueberries are tiny but very powerful. They contain anthocyanins that boost fat metabolism and improve insulin sensitivity. They're low in calories and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for weight management. A daily portion of half to 1 cup is perfect for keeping hunger at bay and aiding fat loss. Pomegranates are another fantastic fat-fighting fruit, with polyphenols that enhance metabolism and fiber that keeps you full. Their potent antioxidants help prevent fat accumulation, but due to their fructose content, it's essential to limit consumption to half to 1 cup per day. Raspberries, rich in antioxidants, fiber, and ketones, support fat metabolism and keep digestion in check. 1 cup a day can help curb cravings and make calorie control easier. Lemons, with their high vitamin C content and detoxifying properties, are a surprising fat loss ally. Their ability to aid digestion and reduce bloating makes them a fantastic addition to any food plan, especially when consumed as lemon water or in cooking. Lastly, dark berries like blackberries and black currants offer a low-glycemic, fiber-rich option to help manage insulin sensitivity and promote fat burning. A half to 1 cup daily supports metabolism while keeping sugar intake in check. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.